What's new about what Microsoft is doing, or is this just an extension of what Microsoft calls Hatch's anti-Microsoft campaign?
Well, what's new is nothing's new. Microsoft continues to do what they always do, which is to keep the price of Windows high and copy other people's software and just add it to Windows. That is the absolute opposite of innovation. And Bill claiming that's innovation, I guess it is innovation in business practice. It's anti-innovation in technology. And it's important that everyone understand what Microsoft's strategy is. The price of every PC component, from memory chips to keyboards, has gone down. PC components get better and cheaper except for Windows. Its price keeps going up. Microsoft's strategy: keep the price of Windows high, copy other people's software, just add it to Windows.
Sir, what do you feel about the fact that Bill Gates or Steve Ballmer or somebody representing Microsoft wasn't at the hearing table with you, responding to?
Well, I think the reason Bill wasn't here and Microsoft wasn't here is self-evident. They don't have good answers for these allegations. Senator Hatch invited Microsoft. Microsoft said they couldn't go because they were being investigated by the Justice Department. And Senator Hatch said, "Well, just nominate some friendly witnesses." And I guess Microsoft couldn't find anyone.
What has Mr. Gates said when you've spoken to him personally?
Bill and I don't talk much personally anymore.
Should the government antitrust activities focus on breaking up Microsoft?
Well, I think there are a couple of solutions. I mean, Windows has become a common carrier. You have to buy Windows. It's got 97% market share. All the software that people need runs on Windows and only runs on Windows. Everyone has to buy Windows. Since everyone has to buy Windows, it's become a common carrier. So Microsoft has an incredible stranglehold on the computer industry. Their strategy of copying other people's software, like Netscape's Navigator internet browser, and just adding it to Windows is devastating. Microsoft keeps the price of Windows high. They're the only supplier in the world of Windows. They copy other people's software, add it to Windows. That's got to be regulated, or better yet, we need two suppliers of Windows. The best thing I can think of would be to break Microsoft in half and let Microsoft compete with Microsoft. Give them both copies of Windows, and let's have two suppliers of Windows. Let's have real competition. Microsoft A competes with Microsoft B. Maybe Steve Ballmer and Bill Gates can compete.
If Microsoft's behavior is so egregious, why is it that the public overwhelmingly supports its stock and in polls says that they like the company?
Well, the public overwhelmingly supports the stock because Microsoft is unique in all the computer industry of being able to charge whatever they want for their products. Because Microsoft has a monopoly, because you have to buy Windows to run any of the software you use, everyone's stuck buying Windows. Microsoft charges premium prices. Microsoft's profits are breathtaking. Any investor would find that attractive.
But do you think the public firmly understands this whole circumstance?
I don't think the public understands what Microsoft is doing with their monopoly. I don't think the public, the public fully appreciates that all the innovation in the internet came from Netscape. I mean, Netscape delivered the most innovative product in the 1990s, the internet browser. That was Netscape that built the internet browser. That was Netscape that introduced the world to the internet. All Microsoft did was copy it and add it to Windows. They copied it, changed its name, called it Explorer, added it to Windows. So anyone who buys Windows now gets stuck with Explorer whether they want it or not. It's plugged in. It's a part of it. Was this innovation? This was just the opposite. It was an attempt to destroy the innovator of the internet, Netscape. Microsoft tends to continue using the strategy to stifle innovation and reward innovation with failure, and that's what they're trying to do by attacking Netscape.
So you see this as a fight for the future of the internet?
I see this as a fight for the future of innovation.